will tune.
Somebody's not liking that.
I don't know. I
I
can't
have
get
to
it
tell
high
you,
enough.
I think you need to practice more.
It says we're gonna rock. We need to make a song. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if you can write a song.
I can write a song. It could be like, man does the best. She's the number one girl for me. Man the best. She's the number one. And I love her so much.
You need to take more lessons.
This is a real guitar. Is Rocksmith 2014. If you want to learn how to play guitar, this is it. There is so much on here. How do you say that? Guitarcade?
Guitarcade.
I want to show you. There's a way to get any song you want. The song right here. There's a special way to get that. I'm not going to show you in this video. There's ways to download. If you look up Rocksmith, download stuff. It may not be legal, but it's okay. Just do it. Session mode. You can learn games on here. This is just so awesome. Make some noise.
Somebody's not liking that.
I don't know. I
I
can't
have
get
to
it
tell
high
you,
enough.
I think you need to practice more.
It says make sure. Oh, I got to turn the volume up. There we go.
I can't wait to see the comments on this video.
Yeah, I can't wait either. I don't know what's going on. There we go. We're gonna rock. Rock. I can't even remember how to play this. What the? So basically, this is like Guitar Hero. We're catching bananas by just turning up our volume. Oh, game over. You see how awesome that is? There's so many games on here you can play. And they're all pretty fun. Let's go to learn a song. So you can go in, riff, repeat this verse. This is very important for learning a song. Let's go in to play the song. It's going to have you actually tune your guitar on here. It's already in tune. That's awesome. Okay, so we are going to riff repeat, and we're going to do just the beginning. And you're not going to be able to hear this. Now you can do the difficulty, the speed. So we can tune this down to 1, level up so that increases as you go, and accelerate is on. You go to advanced settings, difficulty repeats, speed repeats. You can turn this thing however you want to do. This makes this so awesome. We're going to practice this section here, and it shows you where to put your fingers on here, what to hit. So this is, I don't know if you've ever seen Guitar Hero. It is just amazing. And you can play it on here, learn as slow as you want to learn. And then it'll speed up as you go along. You don't have to really flip anything to go to learn a song. Look how slow that's going. So you can really focus on where your fingers are at, where your pick's at.
I hear music.
That's because it's Guns N' Roses. Let's rock and roll. Yeah. Look how easy this is to learn. It's one at a time, slow. And there you go. I mean, we're almost through this riff. You can see the status up there. You think I should have did it faster?
Yeah, this is boring. No?
I'm just a rock star. I just play guitar. Like a rock star.
I used to play Guitar Hero a lot.
Yeah, this is way better than Guitar Hero. This is real. This is a real guitar that I bought. This is a Fender. And like I was saying before, there is a place on the internet that you can download your songs.
I didn't hear that.
You didn't hear that?
No, I didn't hear that.
All right, it's also got lessons on it. It shows you how to do all the stuff. And you can see the chords, 201, 101, shifting, double stop. It goes up. There's so much in here. Special topics. There's just so much educational stuff for your guitar on here. It's an amazing thing.
An amazing game.
Amazing game.
It's not a thing.
All right, I think we've been over this enough. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm a rock star, baby. I'm a rock star, baby. We need to make a song. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if you can write a song.
I can write a song. It could be like, Megan does the best. She's the number one girl for me, man. The best. She's the number one, and I love her so much.
You need to take more lessons.
Sashi, do you not like my guitar?
No, she ran.